Okay. Going up against the druid again. Okay, I'm going first, so the problem I'm going to have here is these guys that are a little bit more expensive than I would want to have them for starting off. Oh, by the way, welcome to Hearthstone by Blizzard Entertainment. My name is GamerCat, and yeah, let's try to win this game here. We'll start off by discarding the 2 higher cards because, like I said, they're a bit overpriced. We got back one that we can use almost immediately here, and we got a weapon that'll have to be kind of mid-game, but we also have him. I like him. He gets us a weapon immediately, and we're also going to get patches, I believe. Yep, here comes patches. Very good. So we can attack immediately here and put our druid opponent down by 2 points. There you go. A rather good first turn. Now he does have the coin. There he goes with the coin. He will respond with something. Oh, okay. Get rid of one of our guys anyway. I'll go ahead and see if I can't get us a little bit more effective on our power here. There we go. Excuse me. There we go, and there we go. 2 more points to him. And we control the board still. Again, the objective of this deck is to smack you in the face a lot with a lot of board stuff. And it kind of plays to my my own play style in that I like to keep the board cleared if I can. Board clearing allows me to do this a lot more, though. There we go. He's going to try taking down the big guy. Go ahead and get him into 19 points with those attacks. There we go. That's a pretty effective attack to knock off both of my field guys. Let's go. Hold on a second on that. Let's do this. Yeah. I want to smack him first. Oh, here's Jade. Jade might be a little bit late, though. That's a little bit worse, but Jade still might be a bit late. Because I'm not going to really worry too much about him. I've got enough to do lethal in 2 turns. And he hasn't done anything to me yet. And I've got creatures out there that he now has to worry about. That was one that... But here's the thing. I think... Let's see. 2, 4, 6. Yeah, you won't be able to kill it. And he's not even going to try. Well, okay, he killed it. Okay, fine. But here's the thing. I've got 7. So what I'm going to do is... Let's make him defend that. I don't mind spending a little bit of health to get that taken care of, and then we'll smack him with this. Okay, now he has to kill everything. And even then he's still gonna... I've still got him. I've got, based on what I've got on the board right now, he'd have to kill this guy, because this guy has lethal on him right now. He can... Yep. He's just giving it up. So what... Oh, hold on here. A little bit of celebration. There we go. Okay, so what this game basically is demonstrating is field control as much as possible, and using an aggro deck to beat down your opponent as quickly as possible. We didn't get to the point where we got to any sort of Reno Jackson or Cthulhu or anything like that. The 10-drop monsters that radically can change the game. And that's because basically my aggro was doing a lot more damage to him before he could recover and do anything else. So anyway, that's Cthulhu versus here. So anyway, if you like what you hear, if you like what you see, feel free to leave a comment down below. In the meantime, this is Gamer Cat signing off.